Welcome back to another episode of Work in Progress. Today we will be talking about choosing a major and how that may impact what you decide to pursue post-graduation. For anyone who may be considering switching majors or who has yet to decide what to major in at all, we hope that this will assist. When you announced your acceptance to Clemson, probably one of the first questions you were asked was, so what's your major? In picking a major, there are plenty of different factors that you can kind of consider. One might be that you have a certain career path in mind or certain interests that align with specific majors. Maybe you've done a values assessment and you notice that some majors or career paths align better with your values than others. Maybe you have someone who inspires you and you want to follow in their footsteps. All of those are valid reasons for picking a major. And if you don't know, that's okay. That's what your advisors and the CCPD are here to help you with. Choosing your major can be a process. It's highly unlikely that a light bulb is going to appear over your head the second you hear about a specific major. There are different steps that you can take to figure out what major might work best for you. First, conduct a self-assessment. Think about your skills, your interests, your work values. Next, gather more information. Take the strong interest inventory test, talk to friends, family, faculty members who are involved in different majors, and then you could even look up certain career paths and see how do people get from point A to point B. Once you've gathered all that information, then it's time you can make a decision. And if that decision changes later on, that is completely normal. There are various resources available at the Career Center and on our website to help you decide your major. One is called What Can I Do with This Major?, which allows you to select various majors to see what types of jobs can come from them. Clicking on each major will give you more information on what exactly you can do with that major. Another is the Strong Interest Inventory, as mentioned earlier. This is a test that looks at your interests and hobbies to see what careers and majors you might be interested in based on how similar your interests are to those already in the fields. We also have Stepping Blocks, which is a career readiness platform that allows you to search through various majors and careers to see the paths that real people have taken so you can find out what may be interesting to you. Both the Strong and Stepping Blocks platform have videos on our page, which I would highly recommend looking at for more information. There are some important questions you should ask yourself when picking a major. What do you want to read and learn about for the next 4 years? What kinds of classes come naturally to you? How do you learn best? Through lectures, small group work, discussions, or hands-on application? What kinds of assignments do you prefer? Papers, presentations, or labs? All of these are great questions to help guide your search as you research different departments and how their classes are going for each of their majors. At the end of the day, your major is not going to limit your opportunities post-graduation unless you choose to let it happen. We have various graduates who are working in various career fields, some related to their major and some not. During your time at Clemson, be sure to supplement your major with career-related internships and supporting coursework. Let your experiences guide what you want to do post-graduation. If you need help picking out a major, be sure to sign up for an appointment with the Career Center or stop by our drop-ins. We hope to help guide you on your journey here to pick your major.